Good day, lovers at home. We are giving R to be a real number. That is, let R be a real number such that the cube root of R plus 1 over cube root of R equals to 3. Determine the value of R cube plus 1 over R cube. Now, this type of question, so there's no need to solve for R before we determine R cube plus 1 over R cube. We are going to use an identity that we proved in the previous video that I proved. If you have been following my video, then there's an identity we are going to use in solving this without solving for R. Then we are given cube root of R plus 1 over cube root of R to be 3. Then the identity we are going to make use of is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC equals to A into bracket A plus B plus C, then open bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus AC minus BC. We are going to make use of this identity. Now, what we are going to do now is we have cube root of R plus 1 over cube root of R to be equal to 3. By taking 3 to this side, we have minus 3 equal to 0. Now, here, we are going to replace cube root of R with a letter and 1 over cube root of R with another letter, which is we are using A to replace this, then B to replace this, and C to replace minus 3. We have C for minus 3 equals to 0. By the time we add A plus B plus C together, it gives us 0. Then we are going to substitute 0 for A plus B plus C. That means everything that we have on the right hand side of this equation now will turn to 0. This leads to A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Since these are turned to 0, we are going to take minus 3ABC to the other side. That is, we have 3ABC. Now, since A equals to this, B equals to this, and C equals to minus 3, we are going to substitute into this equation now. Then we have A cube root of R raised to power 3 plus B 1 over cube root of R raised to power 3. Then C minus 3 raised to power 3 equals to 3 multiplied by A cube root of R, then times 1 over cube root of R, then times minus 3. That is the value of C. Then we simplify. Then this power of 3 and cube root will cancel out. We have R plus, the same thing applies here. 1 raised to power 3 is 1. Then here we cancel power of 3. Then we have R. Then minus raised to power 3. That is minus by block we give us minus. That is 3 by 3 raised to power 3 equals to 27. Then equals to this, cancel this. 3 by minus 3 equals to minus 9. Then we have R plus 1 over R equals to minus 9. Then 27 is coming here. Minus change to plus 27. Then we have R plus 1 over R equals to 18. Now, what we did here, we are going to repeat the same thing here to determine R cube plus 1 over R cube. That is, we have R plus 1 over R. Then by taking 18 to this side, we have minus 18 equals to 0. So let's replace this with A. One more time, we have A, then this B, then minus 18 will now be C. When we add together, we have equals to 0 using the same identity that we use here. Then we have A cube plus B cube plus C cube equals to 3ABC. Then we substitute A equals to R. Then we have R raised to power 3. B equals 1 over R plus 1 over R raised to power 3. Then plus C equals to minus 18 raised to power 3 equals to 3 by R, then by 1 over R by minus 18. Then we have R cube plus 1 over R cube. Plus here, then minus raised to power 3 is minus. Minus times plus will give us minus. Then 18 raised to power 3 equals to 5,832 equals to this R will cancel out here. 3 by minus 18 equals to minus 54. Collect like terms. We are going to take this one to this side. Therefore, we have R cube plus 1 over R cube equals to minus 54 plus 5,832, which gives 1 That is r cube over 1 over r cube equals to, we have 5,000. When we take away 54 from here, we have 5,778. This is our answer. Like, comment, and share. You are blessed. Thank you.